Hello everybody, Lucy Bunny 99 aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more of Video Games Lesson. How you guys have been doing? I hopefully you guys have fun yesterday. Yesterday was Halloween. So welcome back. So I've been post something to ask you guys to tell me like, do you guys celebrate the whole Halloween like that? Please let me know. Before we could start with the lesson, there are two things I like to show you on stage org. But let's start with this young lady here. Hers actually bring the character back from the name movie back to the Disney theme parks. You had to read what she said. So I felt sorry for her what she said. However, hopefully we're going with this to let Disney know that bring the character from the name of the movie back to Disney theme park. It was, if you guys are a fan of the character from the movie and stuff, please, you have to show your support. Don't forget to take the next step. I already did that already. So there are two choices that you want to share through social media, or you could tip how much for this to help to support, like I did right here, for an impact. So yeah, and please reach out if you guys are really a fan of it. Don't be shy. And then another one to save the ride. However, let me ask you, are you guys really the fan of this ride from Disney World and Disneyland? However, you guys have creepy heard the news. I only posted screenshot is shared so you guys what I've been talking about it. And right now I show you guys it with help you out. So you gotta read this. And remember, show your support and let Disney know that we want to say Smash Mountain, keep it as it is. Same thing, don't forget, take the next step. Two choice. You want to share through social media or tip in this support. And make an impact. If you guys are a fan of Wide, that's good. We gotta do. Back to the video game lesson. Remember, all these videos in this lesson are spoiler ahead. Please play all your favorite video games and everything else first before watching this video. We got a lot of upcoming games and DLC as well. It came out not until this month, next year, something like that. It took them time. And also I heard their new betting game is coming out this month. Only on Steam. But you guys should know that. So watch it on Joey Drew's studio on the channel. Alright. remember, guys, if I go too fast, you have to look it up the name of the game console along with the games by yourself if you want to. It might be as well helpful that you know. And one more thing, keep the eye on the name of the game and the date when it came out by different kind of game console. So this is where we left on. Let's go. So we focus on here because it's saying the same thing, but except a different game console like had the different dates or same date. You see right here the eats right here. And also tell me what the name of the game, and of course don't forget the game console. What is your favorite one? Anyway, let's stop right here and see you in the next video. Bye.